In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email templates in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Customizing email templates can be a great way to enhance your brand's communication style and make your interactions with customers more personal and professional. So let's dive in and I'll guide you step by step through this simple process. First things first, you'll want to log into QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Here, go ahead and enter your registered email address and password to access your account. It's important to ensure that your credentials are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, we'll proceed to access the custom form styles. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard and you'll notice a gear icon. That's our next step. Click on the gear icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Custom Form Styles under the Your Company section. This is where all the magic happens for tailoring your email templates. Now that you've reached the Custom Form Styles area, it's time to choose the specific template that you want to edit. You'll see a list of templates like invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Take a moment to identify the template that you want to work with. Once you've found it, click on the Edit option right next to that template. This will open up the customization options for your selected template. Next up, let's move to the Customize Email Settings section. In the template editor, there's an Emails tab that you need to click on. This will allow you to personalize various email settings to match your needs. Here, you can edit fields such as the email subject. For example, you might want it to read something like, "Your invoice from company name." Additionally, you can customize the email message itself with a personalized note such as, "Hello, customer name. Your invoice is attached." Remember to use placeholders like customer name or invoice number to keep your emails dynamic and tailored to each recipient. Such personal touches can significantly improve customer interactions and convey a professional image. Finally, once you've made all the desired changes, don't forget to save your work. Look for a Done or Save and Exit button. Click it to ensure all your updates are securely stored. The updated email template will now apply to all future emails sent with this particular form style, providing a consistent and personalized communication approach. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily update and customize your email templates in QuickBooks Online, adding a personal touch to your customer communications. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tips.